So, so today I'm gonna explain that if your plant's not growing properly like this one, the way I planted this one is still same. There's no new leaf coming, as there's no progress at all. Because the reason behind this, the soil under this is not really good. So what you can do, you need to change the soil from here, and you have to put the surface. You don't need to remove this one. All you can do, just take like this something and just dig here, this around whole area. Let's dig here. So now I made a dig like there here enough, and you can see there's a root of this plant. But make sure, be careful, don't cut these roots, otherwise it's bad for your plant. So make root like this. So what else you have to do after this? The second thing, take some cow or buffalo, whatever you have, the cow dung, the cow waste, and this is some banana peels. So you have to take both, and what you have to do, take some soil, which one you remove from there, just put here on the side like this, and take this both, mix with this both together, and put here. And after this, mix all together, so it's gonna be a rich soil, full of nutrition, rich soil. Mix all together with this soil. You can't put this one straight, because this both soil is really strong, especially this cow dung. It's really strong one, so you don't can't put straight. So you must have to mix with this soil to make it a little less. So like this, you mixed everything, and now put this one near the roots. This easy process, near the roots, and then cover with all the soil you grabbed from there. So it's become the rich soil there, which is gonna help to grow this plant better. So easy process and so quick, you don't need to waste too long, just like that. And after that, just water the plant here. Make sure you water some extra, because you just put some fertilizer there, because that fertilizer need more water. It's good for your plant because it's gonna easily mix there. So all around, just especially you put the water here, because you just put your fertilizers here. So yes, like this. Enough. So this water gonna go inside slowly. Every day you're gonna water here. It's gonna go inside, and that soil gonna reach to the roots, and your plants gonna start growing. So I will show you the next, after 3 weeks, how the progress of this plant. Okay, so after 3 weeks you can see there's so many new leaves come. So with this all, and after that, the next one I will show you after 6 weeks how this progress going. Okay, so after 6 weeks, this plant is totally turned to new, and so the leaves come, the full of leaves. So that's how this fertilizers work. So if next time if your soil is not good, don't worry about it. Just put those fertilizers. Those fertilizers are really nutritious, and it gonna make your soil really rich. So thanks for watching.